Hi, so quick video highlighting the new Mini Z ma030 Evo. It's a chassis set with an 8500 kV motor. Comes equipped with a double wishbone suspension set, full ball bearings. No body, no wheels. So you do need to put a shell on the car and provide your own wheels. It also needs a transmitter and a separate receiver. In this instance, I've already installed the receiver and I've gone for the one that's compatible with the KT18. Now, I did have a few issues with this when I first got it, and I will go through those briefly. The chassis itself is pretty neat. It's based on the front wheel drive platform. The batteries go underneath and to the side. So here you can see wishbone suspension has been installed. This is set to a 98mm wheelbase at present. Brushless motor there, mounted high up. It's got a port for the ICS, so you can program the car, more about that later, and a gyro port. The Mini Z receiver is actually a little bit tricky when you're putting it in. If you don't click it down properly, it doesn't actually connect up and can come undone, so you need to make sure you hear that clicking sound when you lock it in. Not the cover plate, but the actual chip inside. If I take the lid off, you'll see this bit inside has to be clicked in. So not the cover, but the actual receiver itself. Okay, so that's a separate receiver there. Fine, okay. Shall we power the car on? Pairing process is explaining the instructions and it's pretty straightforward as long as your receiver is clicked in. Now, the issue I've had with this car is when it was paired, no matter what I did, it seemed to steer more to the right than to the left. Now, I've managed to get around that by putting the trim all the way to the left, and it does steer straight. And I've had to reduce the end points to the right hand side, increase it to the left hand side. It is very responsive. And the motor does sound really good. Now, I've been told by Kyosho that to correct the steering issue, I need to program it with the ICS lead via the software. So I'm waiting for delivery of that, and then I will make another video once the steering issue is sorted. But if I put the trim to center, it does steer off to the right. Okay, let's put it together and take it for a test drive.